In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Chatgpt on iPhone. Let's get started. First, I swipe left across my home screen to find my applications, and click on the Chatgpt app icon to open it. Once inside, I can interact with the interface. I click into the text field at the bottom where it says, Ask Chatgpt. I can tap and hold, or double tap, to open up the context menu option and select, Paste, to insert my pre-copied prompt. Once the text is fully pasted into the field, I click the blue arrow icon on the right side to send it. Now, I simply wait as Chatgpt generates a full response, presenting a formatted table and a detailed list of beginner-friendly hobbies. I can scroll all the way down to look over the comprehensive answer it provided. Next, I close the app and go back to my home screen to access the system settings. I click on the settings icon. From the main menu, I scroll down and look for the General tab, clicking it to open the submenu. Once inside General, I navigate near the top and click on Software Update. My device begins checking for available updates. After a short period of loading, the screen updates to display an available installation. I click on the Update Now button. The system then prompts me to authorize the update by typing in my personal passcode, which I enter one digit at a time. The system processes my authorization, and the interface returns to the software update screen, showing that the update has been successfully requested. After that, I click the back arrow in the upper left corner to return to the General Settings page, and then click it once more to return to the main Settings menu. I scroll through the settings list until I find the Apple Intelligence and Siri option, which I then click to open. Inside this panel, I locate the primary switch for Apple Intelligence at the top of the menu. I click the toggle switch next to Apple Intelligence to turn it off. A system warning prompt immediately pops up to confirm the action, informing me about the disabled features. To finish the process, I click on the red, Turn off Apple Intelligence, option in the prompt. The setting is now successfully deactivated, fully disabling the integrated capabilities on my device. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.